Face recognition gate lock installation. Okay, here is the cutting template. 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the cutting template for 3 on the holes first. First step, this is the key cylinder. We need to fix the key cylinder to the front panel. Okay, cylinder fix. Here is the screws for fix the cylinder. Okay, the second, we mount the front panel to go to the door and go through the cables. Here, intention, because the cylinder may be something long. Here, we just to keep extra 0.4 to 0.8 millimeter extra from the door edge. So not too much, just 0.4 to 0.8 millimeter extra. Here, keep. Okay, then the silicone pad fixed from the part. Okay, then back to, because first we need to prepare the door thickness, cut the cylinder sheet. Now is put the pad. Okay, so fix the front. Here the cables may be too long, so we go through inside and go out from here. Okay, then this screw and this pad, okay, in together. Then to fit in the upper and the down. Okay, fix, fasten. Okay, and this is the into metal part. First we need to remove these 2 screws. Okay, take the screws. Okay, then remove the cover. Okay, and take out the battery. Okay, then fix the seal pad. Okay, seal pad fix the metal part. Okay, now fix the seal pad to the metal part. Then go through the cable from this hole and go through here. Okay. The main cable, okay, go through this hole, but go out is from here. Okay, go out is under this smart part. Okay, this is for Tuya model, and this is for the main terminal here. Okay, now you see fix the it's like this, and we need to pay attention. The front part of the cylinder must to be pointed in here. It's front to this part. Okay, central here. Okay, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Fix the screws in 4 corners. Okay, then here. The main cables to any of terminal 1, 2, both can. This is the main cable, and okay, this you see the main cable already plugged in here, and this is the short cable is for Tuya model. So need to be attention here. We need to check. You see, okay, like this. You need to check the pinhole. Okay, correct. Okay, now you see the cables in here and the Tuya model in here. Okay, put the battery. Okay, then put the cover. Then, okay, use the screw for fix back. Okay, this main part already mount. So now we get out this latch, and this is the side part. Okay, so we can just match in the horizontal. Okay, then okay, we make a mark in here. Okay, then okay, this side part we mark in here, here like this to fix this inside this rack and this in together. Okay, then finish. So we check like this. Okay, then this is the front part.